Okay students, the 8th problem we are going to solve now. The mean wavelength of light from sun is taken to be 550 nanometer and its mean power is 3.8 into 10 to the power of 26 watt. The number of photons received by the human eye per second on an average from sunlight is of the order of. So which of the following order we have to find out. So what are the given quantities? First we have to write. Lambda is equal to 550 nanometer means 10 power minus 9 meter. So I will convert this into 5.5 into 10 power minus 7 meter. Then the power is 3.8 into 10 to the power of 26 watt. Then n is the number of photons emitted per second. We have to find out. Okay students. Now the energy emitted by the sun is equal to what? Hc by lambda, where h is what? Planck's constant. We are supposed to remember that value of Planck's constant is 6.6 into 10 to the power of minus 34 joule second. C is the velocity of light in the free space. Is a constant that is equal to 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second whole divided by lambda. The given value of lambda is 5.5 into 10 to the power of minus 7. Okay students, now 6.6 multiplied by 10 will become 66. 5.5 multiplied by 10 will become 55. So that this is 11 6 are, this is 11 5s are. Understood? Okay. So this 6 into 3 is 18 divided by 5. So I will write E is equal to 18 divided by 5 into 10 to the power of, here minus 34. So this is minus 34 into 10 to the power of, this minus 7 will go up as plus 7. So 8 plus 7 is 15. So this is into 10 power 15, or E is now equal to 18 divided by 5 into 10 power minus 19 joule. Okay students. So how we have derived an expression for this energy of the photons. So power is given, energy we have found. If you divide the power by energy means what do we get is called the number of photons emitted per second. Okay. Therefore number of photons, number of photons received per second, is given by N is equal to power P divided by energy E. Is it not? So what is the power given here is 3.8. So this is equal to 3.8 into 10 to the power of 26. 10 to the power of 26 divided by 18 by 5. So this is 18 by 5 into 10 power minus 19. So this is equal to 3.8 into this 5 in the denominator will go to the product in the numerator. So into 5 into 10 to the power of 26 into this 10 power minus 19 in the denominator will go up as 10 power plus 19. So this is 10 power plus 19. So divided by 18, whole divided by 18. So this is equal to, if you multiply 5 into 3 is 15. 0.8 into 5 is 4. 15 plus 4 is what? 19. So this is 19 divided by 18 into 10 to the power of 26 plus 19 is what? 45. Therefore N is of the order of 10 power 45. Okay students. So which of these options is correct? Option A is 10 power 45 is correct. Is it not? Okay. So option A is right. Option A is correct. Have you all understood? We will go to the next problem.